Hey guys, Miss Amy here. Time for your ELL videos of the week. We are on week 5 and we've got some activities to do. First, wait, stop. I miss you so much. I hope you are missing me as much as I'm missing you. And I hope that you're practicing your English, speaking, listening, watching English television shows, talking to people in English, writing, reading, and doing all that stuff. Even though we're not in school, you can always be learning. And you know that's so very important to practice your English. So with that, let's go ahead and get going with our lessons for the week. On Monday, we are going to do the same thing we did a couple of weeks ago, and this is just to find something that begins with every letter of the alphabet in your house and then write me a sentence with it. So I think we used the example of apple. I love to eat apples. Apple, there's your A word. So then you're going to look around your house and find something that starts with B and do the same thing. If you can't find something, just skip that letter or make up a pretend word. Doesn't matter, just as long as you're writing and practicing in English. So on Tuesday, again, this is something that I think we did a couple of weeks ago, and I want you to just find something and measure things with it. I think we used the clipboard last time that we did this. So say I want to use this Sharpie. I'm going to say, okay, that's one Sharpie. Well, this board is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 6 Sharpies long. So you would just write a sentence. The board is 6 Sharpies long. Or here I use the example of a water bottle. The chair is 1, 2, 3 water bottles high. Just write me a nice sentence and use some describing words in there. Start with capital letters and don't forget your punctuation. Wednesday, guess what? I want you to write a letter to your teacher. Talk about what you've been doing while we're out of school. Use your transition words like first, next, then, and finally. And also, use some describing words. So if I went outside today, I wouldn't just say, I went outside, I saw a cat. No, because we want to say, I saw a big yellow cat with stripes. Remember, picture it in your mind and then use that on paper. Write those sentences from that picture in your mind and just pretend like you're talking to somebody. Write down what you would say if you were talking, because that's all writing is just talking to somebody. You're just writing it instead of saying it. All right. Thursday, something a little bit different. I think you'll think this is kind of fun. You are going to think of somebody that you would like to interview. All right, so what's an interview? That's just the chance to ask somebody questions that you would like to ask. So I made up an example of Miss Green. If I was going to interview Miss Green, I would write her a letter and I would say, Dear Miss Green, what is your favorite thing about being principal? Well, you might want to know what's her favorite thing about being principal. You might want to know if she has any pets. You might want to know if she has ever been a teacher in a classroom. You might want to know if she likes being a teacher better than she likes being a principal. I don't know. That's up to you. You got to figure out those questions. Ask her those questions. Or if you wanted to think of president, what about Abraham Lincoln? You got to write him a letter and say, Dear President Lincoln, did you like being president? What was your favorite thing about being president? Did you like being in charge? You decide who you would like to ask questions and write them a letter and ask them those questions. Then, activity 5, on Friday, this is another kind of fun thing. Got a little English and some math going on in here. So on Friday, I want you to look around your house, find some food items, and you can even make some up. Like I put candy on my list. I don't have any candy. I would like some. I don't have any right now, but I put an apple, and that costs $1. I put milk, that costs $2. I put candy, that costs $1. And then what I want you to do is take those items and make a menu. All a menu is a list of items with a price beside it. Then use your menu to write some word problems in math. So if I want 2 apples and 1 candy, how much money do I need? Woo! So then I've got to go up here and say, an apple is $1 and a candy is $1. Well, I want 2 apples, so I have to go, okay, that's $1, $2, and then I want to add a candy, $3. I have to have $3 to get 2 apples and 1 candy. So just have fun with it and write some word problems with items that you find in your home. Make a menu, write out some problems. I hope that you are practicing your English, and I hope that you are all safe and healthy, and I hope that you remember how much I love you and miss you, miss your smiling faces so much. But I know that you guys are being awesome like you always are. So be rock stars and hang in there. I love you, I miss you, and I hope to see you really, really soon.